Hello friends, welcome back. In today's math lesson video, we are going to learn what are prime and composite numbers. So let's get started. Before we dive into prime numbers and composite number, let us learn and understand first what are natural numbers. The set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are called natural numbers. Natural numbers can be divided into prime numbers and composite numbers. Now let's get started and see what are prime numbers. Prime numbers that only multiplies with 1 and the number itself. Let's look at few examples. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. The factors of 13 are 1 and the number itself 13. 1 times 13 equals to 13. 13 times 1 equal to 13. Does 13 come in any other table between 1 and number 13? No, it doesn't. That's why it only have two factors, 1 and number 13. So the numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. Now let's take a look at what are composite numbers. Composite numbers that multiplies with multiple numbers. Let's look at few examples. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The factors of 12 are 1 because it comes in a table of 1, 2 because it comes in a table of 2 times 6 is 12. Another factor is 3 because 3 times 4 is 12. Another factor is 4 because 4 times 3 is 12. Another factor is 6 because 6 times 2 is 12. And the number itself, 12 times 1 is 12. Remember guys, when a number have more than two factors, those numbers are called composite numbers. Alright, are you ready to do some practice questions? Let's do it. So guys, what do you think? Is 9 a prime number or the composite number? 9 is the composite number because it has more than two factors. Let's take a look at it how. 1 times 9 equals to 9. 3 times 3 equals to 9. And 9 times 1 equals to 9. So the first factor was 1, second was 3, and the third factor is number 9. So it has more than two factors. That's why it's a composite number. Now let's take a look at another number. What do you guys think? Is 10 a prime number or the composite number? 10 is the composite number. Let's take a look at it how. 1 times 10 equals to 10. 2 times 5 equals to 10. And 10 times 1 equals to 10. So as you can see, it has more than two factors, 1, 2, and 10. Anytime the number has more than two factors is called a composite number. Let's take a look at another number. Is 5 a prime number or the composite number? 5 is the prime number. Let's take a look at it how. 1 times 5 equals to 5. 5 times 1 equals to 5. So 5 is the prime number because it has only two factors, which is 1 and 5. Let's take a look at another number. Is 13 a prime number or the composite number? 13 is the prime number, guys, because let's take a look at it how. 1 times 13 equals to 13. 13 times 1 equals to 13. As you can see, it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So that's why 13 is the prime number. Now let's take a look at number 18. Is it a prime number or the composite number? 18 is the composite number because it has many factors. Let's take a look. 1 times 18 equals to 18. 2 times 9 equals to 18. 3 times 6 equals to 18. 6 times 3 equals to 18. 9 times 2 equals to 18. And the number itself, 18 times 1 equals to 18. So as you can see, it has many factors. That's why 18 is a composite number. And the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Let's do one last one. Is 23 a prime number or the composite number? 23 is the prime number, guys, because it has only two factors. Let's take a look. 1 times 23 equals to 23. And 23 times 1 equals to 23. So as you can see, it has only two factors, 1 and 23, the number itself. That's why 23 is the prime number. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and leave the comment below. Thank you.